Today we're going to learn the condition statements using the flowchart we learned earlier. Alright, can you see this flowchart? Okay. And do you remember when we used the diamond sign for the conditions? We assign 5 to x and 0 to y. If x is bigger than y, then print x is bigger than y. Let's see how Python is written. Alright, so the assignments 5 to x, 0 to y, like what we did the last lesson. Okay, this is an if statement. If x is bigger than y, make sure you have the colon, okay, as part of the syntax. And then everything you want to happen, if this statement is true, make sure the tab is there. Okay, in this case, I want to print x is bigger than y, so I have the indent, then print x is bigger than y. Okay, let's run the statement and see what happens. Alright, run. See, x is bigger than y now. If we change y to other number like 8, y is now no longer smaller than 5, so when you run, nothing is displayed. Alright, try example 1, 2 and 3 on the website and explain why it happens.